AcuPower channel. Have you ever been in a hurry to urgently and fast create a contact without access to a computer? Acumatica Mobile App will help you with it, and you will see that it's a piece of cake. I'm gonna prove it. Today, you will learn about creating a contact, and this is gonna be extremely useful and interesting for confident users and for those who have just started the journey with Acumatica ERP system. Let's get started. To create a contact by using the Acumatica mobile app, please do the following. Firstly, on the main menu of the app, make sure that the appropriate tenant is selected. After that, in the CRM workspace, tap the plus button next to the Contacts tile. And we will see that the Summary area tab of the Contact Summary screen opens. Then please specify the following settings: first name, last name, and job title. In the Business Account box, select Needed Account. I choose Thorhat, for example. After that, swipe upwards and tap Details. This expands the group of related elements. And in the city box, specify your city. I choose New York, for example. And it's up to you. Make sure that in the country box, United States of America is specified. After that, you should tap the other tab of the screen. And please tap CRM Info to expand the group of related elements. In the Contact Class box, select Needed Class. I choose Supermarket, Stores, Groceries, just for example. And then tap the Save button to save the contact. And now let's check the contact we've just created together. So, as I told you at the beginning, this guide is helpful for all Acumatica users facing creating contacts issues via Acumatica mobile app. Now you have a solution. So, do you need help or a consultation? Reach out to us. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.